Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into some exciting news from the Linux world. System76, the popular hardware vendor known for their Linux focused laptops and desktops, has just rolled out Cosmic version 1.0.5. This is the latest update to their Rust based desktop environment, which powers Pop! OS and is available on bunch of other distributions. If you're into open source tech or customizing your setup, this release brings some handy improvements that make everyday use smoother. So, let's break it down step by step. First off, what's Cosmic? For those new to it, Cosmic is a modern desktop environment built from the ground up in Rust, emphasizing performance, stability, and a clean user interface. It's designed to be lightweight yet feature rich, and it's gaining traction on distros like Arch Linux, Fedora, Ubuntu, and more. This 1.0.5 update builds on the foundation of previous releases, focusing on user feedback to refine the experience. One of the standout addition is a new option to display battery percentage right in the system tree on laptops. If you're like me and constantly checking how much juice is left, this is a game changer. No more guessing from just the icon. It's a small tweak, but it adds the extra layer of convenience for mobile users. Next up, the Cosmic Files File Manager now supports drag and drop for tabs. This means you can rearrange your open folders effortlessly, just like in a web browser. It's perfect for multitasking, whether you're organizing projects or moving files around during a busy workday. There are also some useful keyboard shortcuts introduced. For instance, you can now use Ctrl+C to quickly copy items to your clipboard and Ctrl+S to save screenshots directly to your pictures folders. This might seem basic, but they streamline workflows and reduce the click needed for common tasks. Over in Cosmic settings, reliability has gotten a boost. Network authentication is more stable, which should help with connecting to Wi Fi or VPNs without hiccups. You can now add custom XKB keyboard layouts, giving power users more flexibility for international or specialized typing needs. They have fixed an issue where wallpaper slideshows rotations would reset unexpectedly. And if no default apps are set up, you will see a helpful label instead of a blank dropdown. Little fixes like these make the whole system feel more polished. For those who work with the text, the Cosmic Edit Text Editor and Cosmic Term Terminal Emulator have improved ligature support. This means better rendering for certain fonts, making code or documents look cleaner and more professional. The Cosmic Launcher app menu now handles SVG icons properly, so your app shortcuts will display crispy without any glitches. And in the Cosmic Store, the place for managing apps and updates, there's a new Ctrl+Q shortcut to quit the app quickly. Plus, it now better distinguishes between system updates and Flatpak runtime updates, helping you stay on top of what's changing. Beyond features, this release includes performance tweaks and minor bug fixes to keep things running smoothly. If you are curious about the full details, head over to the official GitHub repository for Cosmic. It's all open source, so you can even contribute if you spot something. Now, how do you get your hands on this? If you are on Pop! OS, updates should roll out through the standard repositories soon. For other distros like Arch or Fedora, check your package manager or community repos. Some, like NixOS or OpenSUSE Tumbleweed, already have ways to install Cosmic. If you are adventurous, you can compile it from source, but that's more for developers or distro maintainers. Overall, Cosmic 1.0.5 shows System76 commitment to evolving the desktop environment based on real users' needs. It's not a massive overhaul, But these refinements add up to a more intuitive and efficient experience. If you're running Linux and haven't tried Cosmic yet, this might be the perfect time to give it a spin. So, what do you think? Excited about the battery percentage or the file manager updates? Drop a comment below. Like if this helped and subscribe for more Linux tips and news. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.